Welcome to the best picks. The best sink hose is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen and bathroom accessories you can have. Today, we will look at what makes a great sink hose, and help you choose the perfect one for your needs, covering factors such as length, durability, material, and ease of use, ensuring you make an informed decision based on your specific requirements and budget. Number 5. Sink Faucet Adapter Kit. It's a versatile adapter that easily connects your faucet to a garden hose. It features a 55-64-inch x 27 female thread to connect to standard 3-4-inch male hose threads or a 55-64-inch x 27 male thread to connect to a faucet aerator. This adapter effortlessly converts your standard female aerator to a 3-4-inch male hose thread or a 55-64-inch x 27 male thread. It also includes an extra male threaded adapter for even more connection options. It's compatible with most sink faucets that have removable aerators. This includes both male and female threaded faucets with 55-64-inch x 27 or 15-16-inch x 27 threads. Made from durable solid brass with a polished chrome finish, it's built to last. The brass swivel ball connector ensures leak-proof performance and 360 degrees rotation for convenient use. Installation is quick and easy thanks to its multi-thread design and improved thread edges. It fits most sink faucets and is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor gardens. If you have trouble connecting your garden hose, try using a thinner washer for an easier fit. Enjoy the convenience of this versatile adapter. What we like? It features a 360 degrees rotatable design and multiple thread options for broader compatibility. If you need a versatile adapter for various faucet and hose types, this is the one for you. Its durable brass construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it perfect for frequent use. What people say. Works great, good quality, no leakage, easy to use. I needed an adapter for my kitchen sink to run a regular garden hose to fill my 50-gallon aquarium. I also use this at a friend's house to hook a garden hose up to her kitchen sink so we can spray off her patio. This product works great, made of steel for longevity and has a few different fitment sizes on it. This fitting is made well and just what I need for work. I like how it fits on a faucet and then able to connect a hose to it. Number 4. Faucet Adapter with Aerator. This adapter lets you easily connect a standard garden hose to your sink faucet. For best results, remember to remove the aerator for a stronger water flow. Use it in your kitchen or bathroom. It features a built-in aerator to focus the water flow and minimize splashing. It's designed for faucets with removable aerators and has adaptable threads to fit various faucet types. It includes an additional adapter for broader compatibility. Made from durable solid brass, it's built to resist rust and leaks. The precise threading ensures a secure and reliable connection. It's simple to install and compatible with most sink faucets. For a smooth installation, we recommend wearing gloves to protect your hands. What we like? This adapter includes a built-in aerator for a concentrated water flow, preventing splashing. If you prioritize a leak-proof and durable solution, its solid brass construction is ideal. Its simple installation process makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. What people say. This one is perfect, and not even the slightest leak. Hookup was easy and the fit worked perfectly on my hose. This sink faucet to hose adapter fits the general kitchen faucet perfectly. No leaks, it comes ready to install with a tiny roll of tape and washers. The screen on the adapter also improved my water pressure when the hose was unattached. And I can control the temperature from my kitchen sink when washing my car. Very practical product, seems very durable and useful. Number 3. ZCONIEY Faucet Sprayer. This faucet sprayer attachment easily adds a handheld shower head to your existing sink or tub faucet, expanding its functionality. It comes with 5 adapters to fit most faucets. The 3-way brass diverter valve replaces your existing aerator, letting you switch water flow between the faucet and the sprayer. It's a quick and easy way to add a portable shower. This handheld shower head boasts 4 spray modes: pulsating jet, gentle rain, rain massage, and power mist. Easily switch between them by rotating the handle on the shower head. The 5-foot hose lets you reach every corner of the bathroom for convenient cleaning. The included holder easily attaches to any smooth surface without drilling. Installation takes only 3 minutes and doesn't require a plumber. Simply remove your aerator, screw on the diverter, and connect the hose. A water-saving tablet is also included. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, utility sinks, and even garden faucets. Contact us if you need help with installation. Our team is always here to assist. What we like? It comes with 5 adapters for wide compatibility and a handheld shower head with 4 spray modes for a luxurious experience. If you're looking to add a handheld shower to your sink or tub, this is the perfect choice. Its versatility and added functionality make it a great value. What people say? There are no leaks, just don't forget to put in the correct washer, and the diverter valve that allows you to switch the water flow from the faucet to the sprayer moves smoothly. It took me 10 minutes to install for my oversized tub. I kept putting this off because I thought it would be much more complicated, but it ended up being so easy. All the parts arrived and accounted for and came overnight. The actually sprayer works great with several ways to adjust the spray. The hose is really good. It is very flexible, which is great in the small utility sink where we bathe the dog. Number 2. ARCORA 16-inch faucet hose. This faucet hose offers a reliable connection between your sink and water supply. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. It features a universal design, fitting most standard faucets. Simply measure your distance and add a few inches to determine the correct length. Made from high-quality braided nylon, it's resistant to corrosion and rust, ensuring durability and preventing bursts. The PX inner tube maximizes pressure and performance. Installation is quick and easy, requiring only basic tools. Its flexible design prevents tangling and crimping. The sealing washer and solid brass connector guarantee a leak-free connection for years to come. Enjoy peace of mind with its superior quality. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and more. Lead-free and safe for all water usage, it's suitable for both residential and commercial settings. What we like? This faucet hose is 16 inches long, made of durable braided nylon, and installs easily. If you need a reliable and long-lasting replacement hose for your kitchen or bathroom sink, this is a great option. Its simple installation and durable construction make it perfect for quick fixes. What people say? Worked and fit fine. Seems well made. No leaks. This is my review of ARCORA 16-inch length faucet hose. Connects bathroom kitchen sink to water supply. Braided nylon supply line with 3/8 female compression thread X12 comp 2 PCS, 1 pair. These hoses are lead-free, safe for drinking water, have UPC, Uniform Plumbing Code, NSF 61, National Sanitation Foundation, certifications. That means that they are the highest quality and are tested by independent laboratories for quality. It is apparent that these hoses are really well made. They have metal connectors on both ends, the nylon wrapping is quite thick and you cannot pinch the hose. The PEX conduit is a smaller diameter than the PVC one that I removed, but the water flow is still good. This PEX water line, once installed, had no smell or taste added to the water. Ordered 2 24-inch sets for RV water system. Fits on the pump filter and bladder. Reduces vibration transfer. Number 1. Brass Faucet Quick Connector Kit. This kit makes connecting a garden hose to your indoor faucet a breeze. It's built to last with durable brass construction, unlike cheaper plastic alternatives. It features multiple thread types, ensuring compatibility with most kitchen, bathroom, and utility sinks. If you have any fitting issues, we're here to help. Quickly and easily connect to your garden hose for various uses, such as washing machines, watering plants, or even filling pools. This adapter snaps on and off effortlessly. No more tedious screwing and unscrewing every time you need to use it. The built-in aerator provides a smooth, splash-free water stream even when disconnected. Enjoy a consistent water flow for all your needs. It's made of high-quality brass for long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic connectors that break easily. What we like? Made entirely of brass for durability and a quick connect design for easy use, it also features a built-in aerator to prevent splashing. If you frequently connect and disconnect a garden hose, this adapter's quick release feature will save you time and effort. Its durable construction ensures it will last. What people say? Works like a dream. Allows me also to fill the mop bucket while on the floor and soak the cushions for the papasan chair before taking them to the laundromat. It works well. Very satisfied. It was super easy to install and the quick connect grabs on tight. With the Aerator adapters, it also seems like I could have used my existing adapter with the Aerator that came with the product as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.